Hey, it's Ahmad. First of all, Ramadan Kareem. And as it is tradition for last 6 years, I have been building this CLI called Ramadan CLI. And today I'm really excited to launch version 6, a major overhaul of Ramadan CLI. And let me show you how it works. So what you can do is you can probably run it with npx Ramadan CLI, and it will, figure out your location. It's probably figuring out a wrong location for me. I'm going to put it San Francisco, United States, and then it's gonna go ahead and give you a lot of suggestions automatically. Obviously, you can figure out what is right for you, but I'm gonna just go with what is the default here. And next up, it's gonna just go ahead and use my location to figure out what the Ramadan Sehar or Iftar time is for me. So my Iftar is going to be in about 5 hours at this time, and this is going to be my second second Ramadan, second roza. There's also an alias for all of this. Like if you install it globally, like npm i-g Ramadan CLI, then what you can do is you can just use roza as quick small alias for this. What I have been doing instead is I've been writing a lot of code as usual in different coding agents, and I have this really nice status flag which only tells me what is the next event and how far away it is. And I think I have this set as pook, which is like I'm really hungry alias, right? So that's pretty much it. You can there are a lot of options in here. If you open up the help command, you can see you can configure your city just for if you want to, you're traveling and you just want to quickly look at what timing would be in that particular city, and you can have like all of the settings as well. Like you can do roza-a, and it will probably show you the entire month. It will also highlight the current in the next one in it, as well as there are a bunch of other options. Like if you want to use it in OpenClaw and you want to build on top of it, you can just have it run in a JSON mode where it outputs the JSON only, or a plain mode if you're using something, I don't know, weird. You can also configure the first roza date. So everywhere things are different, and sometimes your people are celebrating Ramzan one way before or after each other. So you can just reconfigure all of this, or you can clear all of this, right? And again, this entire project is open source. I would love to welcome any kind of updates or pull requests you feel like, improvements you feel like you can throw this way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Ciao, peace, Allah Hafiz.